Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Olympiad question. So let's start. What is that question? A fruit seller has 50 more apples than oranges after selling half of the apples. There were 30 more oranges than apples. How many apples and oranges does the fruit seller have at first? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how many apples and oranges does the fruit seller have at first, and they given that 50 more apples than oranges after selling half of the apples, and there were 30 more oranges than apples. Let's assume that apples equals to x equals to y plus 50, because 50 more apples than oranges, and assume that oranges equals to y. After selling the half of the apples, the number of apples becomes x by 2, because they are saying half of the apples. So it will become x by 2. There were 30 more oranges than apples. So we can write it as y equals to x by 2 plus 30, because the number of apples is x by 2 and 30 more oranges than apples. Now we are going to solve that equation. Y equals to x by 2 plus 30. We know the x value, x equals to y plus 50. Substitute x value in the x place. Y equals to y plus 50 by 2 plus 30. LCM is 2. Y equals to y plus 50, 32 is 60 plus 60 divided by 2. 2y equals to y plus 110, because 50 plus 60 is 110. 2y minus y equals to 110. Y equals to 110. We assumed that oranges equals to y. So the number of oranges 110. X equals to y plus 50. Now we know the value of y. X equals to 110 plus 50 equals to 160. The fruit seller have at the first number of apples and oranges. Total equals to apples plus oranges. We know both values. 160 plus 110 equals to 270. So the fruit seller have 270 apples and oranges at first. Thank you for watching. To recap, let's take a quick look at the entire solution one more time. Watch till the end to see how I solve this problem. If you have any doubt in this explanation about this problem, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.